Schneikowitz. So cold. Holy shit, I don't like cold.
Oh.
You didn't bring pants?
I did bring pants this week. I don't know why the f I didn't.
Well,
I saw them, but don't worry about it, man. Once they get moving, that'll be good.
you'd probably just be standing there though.
Fuck, alright. I'll just have to do some jumping jacks. Empty soup cans, random shit everywhere.
It's just wet here big time.
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be awesome. Did you bring your mucklucks?
My mucklocks. Like these?
Yeah.
Yep. We got the mucklocks on, don't worry.
Scores.
Oh.
Look at this.
Oh.
The heater's off.
It's
The
actually
fan.
worked. Nice.
That's crazy. I fixed it. Oh no, your lighter, bud. Fuck. I didn't even bring mine. You are fucked. No cigarettes. Flag this guy down, see if he's got a light. Alright? Yeah. You could like spread like some sort of a convectionary dust onto it and put it in a drawer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like the pan.
Yeah. Your pan of sugar.
This is my good sugar.
Yeah. You know that's your good sugar and not your bad sugar. Oh, we are about to play Traptor big time. Oh, did you notice there's a Donecker, buddy?
Oh.
You could have some dumps into it. I don't think they'd mind. I'm starting to begin to wonder if painting the radiator wasn't a good idea. That's what I'm beginning to sort of think here, but didn't do too bad up until that point, till it just started whistling and beeping and just shut right off big time. I had her on full send though, so that's usually what happens. Just rev the ball sack off until it shuts off. Seems reasonable, but yeah, almost halfway. We got pretty close to the article here. I'm gonna have to scoop a bunch of this out of the way. Thank you. Good fucking lard. Why would you do that? Oh well. But yeah, hopefully this thing cools down in the next minute or two and we can proceed. What do you think? Awesome?
Oh, awesome.
You love Digger Schmidt?
Oh, do I ever?
Yeah.
Especially 0 degree weather, my shorts.
Yeah. You thought that through.
Oh, did I? Yeah.
Must have thought you were just going to be smoking darts in the trailer.
Yeah, for
this
sure.
week.
Just sitting in the truck. Oh, heating up right now, man. Oh, yeah.
Is she warm? Oh, yeah, you definitely want to paint the radiator, boys. If you didn't already notice. Well, that's cool. Why would you want to record? Eh? That'd be funny. That'd be funny if you push record and it just recorded. Yeah, I had to veer off course here because somebody, I don't know why they would do that. I mean, there's so much more rooms. They could have got a little tree there, got to try to avoid too, but I already know I'm going to forget. Oh, there's a couple of them, looks like, but yeah, this gravel plow right here, no, that's no good. They put that right in the road, big time. So we have to move the trench in a different direction halfway through the dig. So, well, not halfway, but a good 20 feet into the trench. I mean, I would have just, I don't know, I would have put the gravel somewhere else if it was me, but not my department. Oh, I need my good plier. My good plier. Oh, I did it.
It's not too hot anymore.
I should have bought a tractor with a more broken hood. Back on site, eh? Me and same. Really wish I didn't have to make her the S, but not a whole lot you can do. I mean, I could have moved the gravel, but and that's just more work. I'm gonna move it again anyway, so there's room to get the friggin' wire in the ground and bring the skid steer back when the wire's done. I guess the pole will be in and everything, and grim as your sister. Just an S-bend, terrible. Oh dear. Whatever. It's just a wire, it'll bend. Kind of nice to make it straight though if you can. Sometimes. But yeah. Decent. You love tractoring?
Fucking love it.
Is it awesome?
Hell yeah. Fucking everything in Inwood's awesome.
Even the Donecker?
Okay.
Couple things.
You got me.
Couple things not too awesome.
But it's fucking Donecker.
Yeah.
You gotta, you gotta expect it.
Can we go?
You gonna go now?
Yeah, we go.
We go now.
Okay, now we go.
Okay.